9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Good morning, good afternoon. Today I want to take you slightly on a different broker because I want to show you a way to open a small trading account for those ones who do not have enough capital. And the broker is Exness, and therefore I want to show you how to open an Exness trading account. The account will be called a Cent account. So let's first look at how to open an account on Exness. You can go to YouTube and type how to open an Exness account. An Exness account. Both real and demo. Okay. By power of mindset yields. Hit search. And you first watch this video, right? Watch this video I made a year ago, how to create, verify and make a deposit in Exness account. So once you are done, come back. After creating your account, you want to sign in, and I'll type my.exness.com and then hit search. If you do not have any trading account, this may not show up because like these are my former accounts. So this is the real section, real account, demo account, archived, the accounts which are inactive. And straight away you want to go to open a new account, that plus icon. So you click there. And you choose the trading platform. I suggest that you go with MT5, which is recommended because it is now updated from time to time. And now you want to scroll from right to left, okay, until we see the Standard Cent account. So continue scrolling until you land on this Standard Cent account here, okay. So the minimum deposit is $10. The spread is 0.30. There is no commission, and when you deposit $10, that means you'll get you multiply by 100, that is 1,000 cents trading account capital, because 1 cent, rather $1 is equal to 100 cents. So you can see you have $1,000 with just $10. So you can as well, if you deposit $100, you can also multiply by 100. That means 10,000 trading capital. That is what I was trying to mean. Then after that, you click on continue, and you can choose demo or real, but real is the best one. And you go on choosing your leverage. Okay, the higher the leverage, the more profits and losses you are exposing yourself to. Okay, and the way leverage works, like if you choose 500, I want 500, you get your $10 you deposited times 500. So you'll be trading with the 5,000 capital. Okay, so that's what I was meaning. The higher the leverage, the higher your trading capital will be, and that means more profits or losses as well. Okay, so that's how it works. And now once you have selected, for example, your leverage, you can select the currency. You leave it to USCC, which is United States cents. Then the nickname, you can choose your name or you leave it like that. Then you create the password. The password must be in line with this criteria, which is 8 to 15 characters. And when I say characters, you understand the letters, rather both letters and numbers. Then here upper and lower, that's small, and capital letters and small letters. Then at least one number, 1 up to 10. You can choose rather 1 up to 9. You can choose any of your choice. In between your password, then at least one special character. Special characters include like this one, a hash, a hyphen, a star. All these are special characters. Once you are done, you click on create an account. Okay, I already have one, so there is no need of repeating. So that's it. That's how basically you create your Exness trading account, a standard cent account, for those of you who do not have enough capital but would wish to be trading with thousands of capital. Okay, that's it. The link will be in the description for you to create your Exness accounts, and you can also practice or spread your capital. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So I'm working for a different video on how to become a strategy provider on the leave, so stay tuned, subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. See you on the flip side.